Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hello, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
My name is Bryanne.
And my name is James.
Today, we have a great episode for you.
Yes, today's title is Learn English with Podcast, Slow English Listening and Fluency Practice, A1 and A2 Shadowing Practice.
This podcast is perfect for beginners.
Yes, if your level is A1 or A2, this episode is for you.
We will speak slowly
Very slowly,
and very clearly.
so you can listen
Understand.
and speak with us.
This episode is also a shadowing practice.
Do you know shadowing?
Shadowing is simple.
You listen,
You repeat.
you speak with us,
Listen first.
then repeat.
This helps your pronunciation,
It helps your confidence,
and it helps your fluency.
so don't be shy.
Speak with us.
Even if your English is not perfect,
That is okay.
practice makes progress.
Before we start, please support our podcast.
Yes, if you like this episode,
Please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and share it with your friends.
Thank you very much.
All right, James, let's begin our English practice.
Let's do it.
Today, we will talk about simple daily life.
Yes, simple conversations.
Words and phrases you can use every day,
At home
at work.
or with friends.
Let's start with a simple question.
A very common question.
The question is, how are you?
Very good.
Listen carefully.
How are you?
Now, listen again.
How are you?
This question means, how do you feel today?
Yes, people ask this every day,
When you meet someone.
or when you start a conversation.
Now, let's answer the question.
A simple answer is, I am fine.
Listen.
I am fine.
Now, listen again.
I am fine.
Repeat after us.
I am fine.
Good job.
Very good.
Another answer is, I am good.
Listen.
I am good.
Again,
I am good.
repeat with us.
I am good.
Excellent.
You are doing great.
Let's make a small conversation,
I will ask the question.
and I will answer.
James, how are you?
I am good, thank you.
Very nice.
Now, Bryanne, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Perfect.
Now it is your turn.
Listen and repeat.
How are you?
I am fine.
Great job.
Let's try again.
How are you?
I am good.
Excellent.
You see?
English can be simple,
Yes, small sentences.
but very useful.
Let's learn another phrase.
This phrase is very common.
People say it every day.
The phrase is, what are you doing?
Listen carefully.
What are you doing?
Again,
What are you doing?
this question asks about an action.
Something happening now.
For example, I can say,
I am reading.
I am eating.
I am studying.
Let's try one.
James, what are you doing?
I am talking with you.
That's right.
Now I ask you, Bryanne, what are you doing?
I am recording a podcast.
Very nice.
Now, listeners, your turn.
Listen and repeat.
What are you doing?
I am learning English.
Great answer.
Yes, you are learning English right now.
And that is amazing.
Keep going.
Keep practicing,
Your English is growing,
little by little.
step by step.
Now, let's learn another useful sentence.
The next sentence is very useful in daily life.
Yes, people say it all the time.
The sentence is, what is your name?
Listen carefully.
What is your name?
Again,
What is your name?
this question is for meeting new people
For example, at school,
or at work.
or when you meet a new friend.
Now, listen to the answer.
My name is James.
Again,
My name is James.
repeat after us.
My name is...
Good.
Now say your name.
My name is Bryanne.
Excellent.
Let's make a small conversation.
Bryanne, what is your name?
My name is Bryanne.
Nice to meet you, Bryanne.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, listeners, it's your turn.
Listen first.
What is your name?
Now repeat.
My name is...
Say your name.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Let's learn another useful phrase,
This phrase is simple.
but very important.
The phrase is, where are you from?
Listen.
Where are you from?
Again.
Where are you from?
This question asks about your country or city.
For example, I can say,
I am from Canada.
or I am from France.
Let's practice.
Bryanne, where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Nice.
Now I ask you, Bryanne, where are you from?
What do you say?
I am from the United States.
Very good.
Now, listeners, your turn.
Listen and repeat.
Where are you from?
I am from.
Say your country. Maybe you say,
I am from Brazil.
I am from India.
I am from Spain.
Great practice.
You are speaking English.
Yes, you are speaking already.
That is amazing.
Let's learn another daily question.
This question is very common in the morning.
The question is, did you sleep well?
Listen carefully.
Did you sleep well?
Again,
Did you sleep well?
this question means, was your sleep good?
Maybe you say yes.
Maybe you say no.
A simple answer is yes, I slept well.
Listen.
Yes, I slept well.
Again.
Yes, I slept well.
Repeat with us.
Yes.
I slept well.
Very good.
Another answer is,
No, I did not sleep well.
listen.
No, I did not sleep well.
Again.
No, I did not sleep well.
Good job practicing.
Let's do a short conversation.
Bryanne, did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Thank you.
That's good.
Now, Bryanne, did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Great.
Now, listeners, your turn.
Listen and repeat.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Excellent.
You are improving.
Step by step.
Word by word.
Let's continue with another simple sentence.
This sentence is useful every day.
The sentence is, I am a little tired.
Listen.
I am a little tired.
Again.
I am a little tired.
This means you need some rest.
Maybe you worked a lot.
Maybe you studied a lot.
Let's repeat together.
I am.
A little tired.
Good job.
Very good.
You are speaking English with us.
And that is the best way to learn.
Practice.
Repeat.
And listen again.
Let's learn one more useful sentence.
The next sentence is very useful in the morning.
Yes, many people say this every day.
The sentence is, I am having breakfast.
Listen carefully.
I am having breakfast.
Again.
I am having breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
You can eat eggs,
Bread
fruit.
or cereal.
Let's repeat together.
I am having breakfast.
Very good.
Let's make a short conversation.
Bryanne, what are you doing?
I am having breakfast.
What are you eating?
I'm eating a banana.
That is a quick breakfast.
Yes, a banana is a quick breakfast.
Now, listeners, your turn.
Listen and repeat.
What are you doing?
I am having breakfast.
Great job.
You are doing very well.
Let's learn another simple sentence.
This sentence is, I'm going to work.
Listen.
I'm going to work.
Again.
I'm going to work.
This means you are leaving home.
And you are going to your job.
Let's repeat together.
I'm going to work.
Excellent.
Now let's make a small conversation.
Bryanne, where are you going?
I'm going to work.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9.
Very good.
Now, listeners, your turn.
Listen and repeat. Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Perfect.
Let's continue with another useful phrase.
This phrase is very friendly.
People say it when they meet someone.
The phrase is, nice to meet you.
Listen carefully. Nice to meet you.
Again.
Nice to meet you.
Let's repeat together.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
Let's make a small conversation.
Hello, my name is James.
Hello, James. My name is Bryanne.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very nice.
Now, listeners, your turn.
Listen and repeat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Fantastic. You are speaking English.
And you are doing great.
Let's learn another daily sentence.
This one is very common.
The sentence is, I am a little busy.
Listen.
I am a little busy.
Again.
I am a little busy.
This means you have many things to do.
Maybe work.
Maybe study.
Maybe housework.
Let's repeat together.
I am a little busy.
Great job.
You are improving your English.
Every minute.
Every sentence.
Now let's continue with one more useful sentence.
The sentence is, let's take a break.
Listen carefully.
Let's take a break.
Again.
Let's take a break.
This means stop working for a short time.
Maybe drink water.
Maybe relax.
Let's repeat together.
Let's take a break.
Excellent.
But not yet.
Yes, not yet.
We still have more English practice.
And you are doing amazing.
Keep listening.
Keep repeating.
Keep practicing.
Your English is getting better.
Little by little.
Step by step.
Now let's learn another useful question.